Open defecation, the scourge of our planet, the most potent source of diseases like diarrhea. Our water resources are being depleted every day. Millions of lives are lost, health and hygiene are severely compromised. With no access to proper sanitation, people resort to manual scavenging, an illegal and dangerous practice. In places with high population density, proper sanitation is a basic need for any community.
2.6 billion people across the world, 600 million Indians, have no access to basic sanitation. And open defecation, we are topping the list. This second largest, fastest growing economy of the world is losing 6.5% of its GDP.
A groundbreaking solution has been devised to tackle these problems. Enviolette, the biological toilet. This is a globally patented invention, creating waves all over India, with over 1,500 installations operating successfully. It is a sustainable, innovative, and cost-effective solution.
The main component of the biological toilet is the biodigester tank. The tank is basically a multi-chambered structure in which the waste fall in the first chamber and will slowly move on to the other chambers, in which process the bacteria works upon the waste and converts them totally into water. The most basic model of the biological toilet is the Enviolette Solo. So the main advantage of this toilet is that it is portable in nature. It can be installed anywhere and it can be taken away to a new place as and when required.
It is not just a matter of convenience, but more importantly, a necessity. Construction sites mean large groups of unorganized labor in small spaces. Inevitably, the laborers take to defecating in all corners, and the entire area becomes unhygienic, a breeding spot for diseases. Enviolette provides an easy route out of this mess.
খুব সহজে ব্যবহার করা যায়, খুব সহজে ইনস্টল করা যায় এবং বিভিন্ন জায়গাতে এটা মুভ করেও নিয়ে যাওয়া যায়। After installations, at least the site are clean, workers are going to use the toilets, it's easy to maintain.
Apart from construction sites, Enviolette has also been extremely successful in villages, rural schools, urban slums, fairgrounds, railway platforms, and other places where no conventional sewage system exists. Maintaining the Enviolette is totally hassle-free. Here is the BioKit. Apply the biomedia first, mixed with water. Next, charge the disinfection tablet. This tablet disinfects the water before it is discharged.
This is the stationary version of our biological toilet called the Enviolette Permanent. Now, this basically consists of a biodigester tank which is 1/3 above the ground and 2/3 below the ground. Now, this toilet finds use basically in the communities, in the villages, in the slums, where there are a large number of people, and these toilets are permanent in nature for 10 years and above.
এই গ্রামে সব লোক প্রায় বাইরে পায়খানা পেচ্ছাপ করতো, দেখে খুব খারাপ লাগলো। এখানে দূষণও হতো। এখানে যে পায়খানা যেটা হয় সেটা তো পুরোপুরি জলে পরিণত হয়ে যায়, এমনি দেখা যাচ্ছে থাকেই না কিছু, যাতে দূষণ কথা কিছুই না যেতে। আমরা রোটারি ফাউন্ডেশনের জোটবদ্ধ হয়ে দুটো পায়খানা দিয়েছিলেন, সেই পায়খানাতে আমরা খুব খুশি, সব গ্রামের লোক ব্যবহার করছে। এতে আমাদের গ্রামে দূষণও কমে গেছে অনেক। ওই যে আমাদের বাচ্চাদের যে শরীর খারাপ হতো সেখান থেকে অনেকটাই রেহাই এসে গেছে। ডায়রিয়া হতো, ডায়রিয়া আসতো অনেক, সেখানে অনেক রেহাই পেয়ে গেছে। আসলে আর কি প্রতিটা গ্রামে যদি এইভাবে এই পায়খানা ব্যবহার করে লোক, তাহলে দূষণ অনেক মাত্রায় কমে যাবে।
A mandate has been awarded to install 100 biotoilets in Gulbarga, sponsored by the renowned Infosys Foundation, and slums in Bangladesh in association with Gates Foundation, USA. The world-famous Tata Group has also endorsed Enviolette. 100 biotoilets are being used at the construction site for their upcoming state-of-the-art IT complex. The Enviolette is completely environment-friendly. It uses multi-strain aerobic bacteria culture emitting no greenhouse gases at all. Carbon footprint is also reduced significantly by water conservation. It is a giant step in the fight against open defecation, a solution far superior to pit toilets and far cheaper than septic tanks. The only sanitation initiative offering total end-to-end sanitation solutions, including demand generation, training and advocacy. Enviolette helps to improve health and hygiene and protects the fragile ecology of our planet.